Good morning, birdies. Who's a good boy? Whoa, oh, you don't want out? You don't have to. Kiwi, come on. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Good morning. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Colorado. The lake behind me looks like glass, and that means it's paddleboarding time. But look at that view, you guys. It is awesome today. So let's get going. Welcome to our vlog. Yeah, cool. Such good swimmers. Mildly freaked out right now. Go, 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 go. Whee! That's not that bad. There's your leash, dude. Guys should probably put on your leashes if they're little stuff.
We found a crab claw.
Cool.
Hello, birdie.
Dude, stealer of drinks. All right, so we made it back. I didn't film it, but my friend's bike trailer broke for her board, so we ended up having to load all of her stuff onto our trailers and get it all back. So we pulled back 4 boards instead of 3, which was a lot of work, which is why I can't breathe right now. But we all made it back safely, so thumbs up for that. Glad I had Sam with me as well, because he was able to pull 2 boards. Normally he only pulls 1. So anyways, we are all back safe and sound. I'm sweaty, hot. It was awesome out there, but I gotta go take a shower. Want a treat? Treat. Were you sad? Are you already being sad? Oh, so sad. Down. Bandit down. He's like, but there's somebody here. What do I do? Be sad. Be sad. Okay, good boy. Got some fun mail here. This is from Abercrombie and Finch. Okay, so here is the first one. It's just a little light pink. Super cute. Same thing, just white. And they're really nice and light and airy, and I thought these would be really cute to wear this summer or under even just like a sweater, cardi or something like that in the fall. So super cute. Off to choir. All right, dropped off Liv, and now I'm heading up to get Haley. She's coming back from Fort Collins. They were up there for the CSU state conference, and their team did really good. I believe they got second place for a couple of the events, and then Haley got a couple of individual ribbons, so I'm excited to see what she got. All right, look who we have home. It's Miss Hey Hey, woohoo! Hugs. Good. Hallie. Yes, they were calling her Hallie on the TV.
And then the other girl, who was named Hallie, he kept calling her Haley.
Yeah, they got them mixed up. So what are each one?
Okay, this one, we won first place for the best team in horse judging performance.
Ooh, nice. First place.
The second place for, overall team in halter. Second place in the team reasons. Sixth place individual for performance.
Nice, good job. That's really hard to do.
It's really hard to place in senior division.
Yeah, and that was your first year, so that's awesome.
Second team to win overall. So we didn't win first place, but placing second is like still pretty good.
Yeah.
And a fancy plaque to go with it. We need to hang my other plaque that I got for,
So what's
we won
that?
first place in that.
Horse judging team, Colorado State
competition.
Conference, nice.
Since we got reserved, then we were on the list to get scholarships.
Oh, that's cool. Yay. Good. Yay, did you have fun?
Yeah, I want to go back next year.
Yeah, cool. That's awesome. Woo. Better? That was a long run. All right, are you excited?
Yep, I'm ready to go to the cabin.
I'm gonna miss you. What are you guys gonna do?
Well, we're probably gonna get there, settle in, have fun, go on a hike, play in the river, maybe. And do other stuff.
You don't know.
Pull an all-nighter.
Pull an all-nighter.
Yep.
No, you gotta get some rest, because otherwise you'll be too tired to hike in the morning.
Oh yeah. Maybe not an all-nighter, but maybe half.
Half the night.
Yeah.
All right, give me a hug.
Bye.
Bye, love you. Mwah.
Bye, Dad, if you're watching this.
See ya. Have fun.
All right, bye.
Bye.
See ya. Don't go paddleboarding without me.
I'm not gonna promise that. Hey guys, so I think that I mentioned in my curriculum picks for this year videos that we were gonna possibly try out a new Bible curriculum. And so I did contact them, their Summit Bible Curriculum, and they sent me all of their books to check out. So they sent us the 4th grade one for Katie to try out. So I'm really excited about that. This is her student workbook. And then this is the teacher's manual. The student manual, I'll kind of show you here, just so you can kind of see it. But it's just colorful worksheets and whatnot that kind of go with the lessons. So there's that. We're also going to do the Understanding the Time for our teenagers. And so this is their kind of student textbook, if you will. And then they also have this student workbook, activity book that goes with it as well. And then they also sent me the teacher's manual for it. You can either do hard copy or they also have digital copies available as well. So it's really easy to use on your iPads, tablets, things like that. Makes it a little bit more convenient. So I'm excited to do a more apologetic type of study with my kids for Bible this year. And so I will do an updated video just to let you know how it goes. But I just got it in the mail today, so I'm super excited and wanted to share it with you.